Day 35 of 100. Let's get right to it. Your boy is 30 years young. So blessed to start another journey around the sun. Let's go. Just always remember to keep striving and live life to the best of your abilities. Don't get discouraged when things don't go as planned. Just know that you are always able to change the outcome. Join a community of those who are headed in the same direction. There are teachers and mentors of all ages. Work smarter, not harder. Be brave and don't be afraid to ask for help. Be dedicated and disciplined, and always work on your mindset. There's so much free game on the internet, and just by going out and exploring new things and getting out of your comfort zone will bring new opportunities to you effortlessly. As always, thank y'all for watching. Grow by any means. Back at it tomorrow. Big 30. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you, nature. Peace.